Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install this battery replacement. I picked it up from the internet somewhere. It is a cheap battery. It's a replacement for the HP EliteBook. So yeah, it was real cheap. I did not pay much, I think around 35 euros or something. The screwdrivers are with it and also some pry tools I see. We first go to check if it fits. So because there are two versions from it, from this battery there are two versions from it. So you first go to open the laptop. That's very easy. There are 5 screws like that. The screws don't come completely out. Voila, we are almost done with that. Okay. Only one still. Voila. The 5 screws are loose. Normally you use pry tools, but I don't. Here are no screws. You cannot open it from here. You have to open it from there. So you just click it, voila, and it comes open. The first thing you always do when you are working in a laptop, that is to disconnect the battery. So that's the first thing we go to do. But I first go to check if the battery fits, and you see that the copy is almost exactly the same. Yes, it's the correct battery. So we go to disconnect the battery first. Voila. And then we go to loosen the screws. Make sure you don't lose the screws, of course. Voila. This battery is still good for 70%, but I'm not going to wait until it gets completely broken. So yeah, I just replace it. It's not that expensive, 35 euros. It's an original battery, as you can see it. This is not an original battery. I think the original battery cost around 80 or 90 euros. So yeah, of course we are not going to pay that. Voila. This is that. And then we go to place new battery in it. This is a copy, of course. Otherwise it will not be that cheap. Voila. I see that the cable is a little bit longer. I hope it doesn't give any problem. Yeah, the cable is almost the same, but it's a little bit, yeah, it's pushed aside. So anyway, we go to tighten the screws. Before we connect it, we go to tighten the screws that it cannot shortcut it. Voila, screw number 1. Screw number 2. Then screw number 3. Voila, voila, voila. And then screw number 4. Yes. Voila. This is screw number 4, and then we connect the battery, and hopefully the thing doesn't get shortcut. Voila. We push the cable a little bit to the side, and then we close the lid. Yes, we close the lid a little bit like that. Voila. It's very easy. This is a good laptop to open. I just want to say you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, wireless speakers, smartphones, and all kind of goodies. You only have to subscribe to our channel, and when you win something you will get notified. Voila, this was the installation of the battery in a HP EliteBook. I still have to plug in the charger to see if it's okay, but I think that's no problem anymore. I will put it on now, and then yeah, bye bye.